Okay, the skill we're going to look at now is the outer forearm block. Now, we've done the inner forearm block where the fist comes out, it's facing towards you, but this is the outer forearm block. So, a good outer forearm block starts in a good front stance, okay? And I start with my blocking arm underneath, fist facing up, and the other arm, fist on top facing outward. And what you're going to do is you're going to rotate that fist out in front, just like so. So basically you're blocking a strike to the face. So you're going to go like this, you're going to sweep in front of your face and stop right about there. Okay, make sure your fists are nice and tight, and make sure you're not leaning into the block, and you're going to rotate just like so. Okay, you don't want to come way out here because then that exposes you to another attack. So you really want to just deflect. So you want to stop right about here. So let me try it from the other side. Okay, fist facing upward underneath, and the top fist is going to be facing outward. Basically, you're going to rotate the blocking arm and come out just like that. You want the arm slightly bent. You don't want it out like this. You want it bent just like so. Okay, so just like so. And you want to make it high enough where, you know, if some strike is coming to your face, you can actually block it. You don't want to have it down here. You want to have it come across in front of your face. Okay, I want to have Miss Hill come in and help me help demonstrate the outer forearm block. Okay, so to start off with, I'm just going to stick the blocker right in her face. Actually, let's actually switch views. I'm sorry. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. Okay, I'm going to hold it right there, and she's going to do the block, and she's going to clear it out of the way. Okay? 2, 3. Okay, now I want to thrust it into her face, just like a punch. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate a haymaker punch. I'm going to swing it across. 2, 3. Just like so. Okay, let's switch sides. Okay. Get out of order. Okay. Start with putting it right in her face. She's just going to deflect. 2, 3. Okay. Now I'm going to do a thrust. Simulated punch. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I'm going to do a caveman. I'm going to do a demonstrate a haymaker strike, like swinging like a bat. 1, and 2, and 3. Just like that. Thank you very much. Okay, it's a fairly simple block, and it's we do a lot of outer forearm blocks in our patterns. So yeah, we practice it a lot, and that is the outer forearm block.